notes for playing the Kangling. And this, of course, is a Kangling Kangling, a Kangling made of acacia wood, the same as it is recommended or it's traditional that Chöd drums are made. And so and it has a silver tip to it, which is a good idea because it prevents bacterial accumulation. And it's lined with wax, beeswax in this case. Still, you have to clean it out once in a while or put some essential oils and water through there to kill any organisms, funguses that might be forming. Now, the key to playing this, and of course the handhold is like so, 3 fingers, and then these thumb and the ring finger, or small finger rather, the thumb and the little finger are supporting it, and 3 fingers on top. It's played on the left side of the mouth, and you have to have a proper embouchure, as it's called in musical instrumentation. And embouchure means you're closing down your mouth and you have the proper lip position to prevent air from blowing out the sides. So if you didn't have a proper embouchure, you're going, air is just escaping. You want to have it tightly pressed to the corner of your mouth, but also puckering up, not too tight. If it's too tight, nothing's coming out. So just in a reasonably relaxed fashion, and not blowing too hard. If you blow too hard, so just a kind of a gentle, and you're making a change in tone by changing the positioning of your lips, as well as by the intensity of your of the wind that you're forcing through the Kangling. You can shake the Kangling a little bit to get a warble on it. If you can do it with your tongue, so much the better, not so easy. And the Kangling, of course, is to call forth the entities to the feast, especially the lower entities. And the reason for that is you're using your wind, you're using your lung, you could say your life signature. You're blowing that through bone or through the bone of your own hands, and that particular signature of your life energy can be recognized by entities who have some karmic connection to you, especially some negative karmic connection, and then they will show up from near or far or whatever dimension they happen to be inhabiting. They will come to the call of your life force. You could say it's dinner served is the message that you're giving. Come and get your karmic retribution. That's it with the Kangling. Fits nicely into its little rigid, stiff case, and you're off to the races. Of course, these are typically or originally made with a human thigh bone, but that's rather inconvenient for travel. Whether that's in your hand luggage or in your regular luggage, it's possible that could be confiscated depending on where you're traveling. So have fun.